Welcome to our channel. If you want to install Hidden Mega app on your streaming device using a downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions for quick and easy installation. Step 1. Turn on your Fire TV Stick, Android TV box, or compatible streaming device and ensure you have a stable internet connection before proceeding with installation. Step 2. Navigate to your device's App Store and search for Downloader by AFTV News. Install this application if you don't already have it, as it's essential for downloading APK files. Step 3. Go to your device settings, find security or privacy settings, and enable unknown sources or install unknown apps to allow installations from outside the official App Store. Step 4. Launch the Downloader app and locate the URL input field on the main screen. Enter the specific downloader code or URL for Hidden Mega app. Step 5. Tap Go or press Enter to initiate the download. The Downloader app will fetch the Hidden Mega app APK file, showing download progress and estimated time remaining. Step 6. Once the download is complete, the installation screen will appear automatically. Review the permissions requested by Hidden Mega app, then tap Install to proceed. Step 7. Wait for the installation process to finish. When complete, you'll see options to either open the app immediately or return to the Downloader app. Step 8. Open Hidden Mega app and complete any initial configuration or setup steps required. You can now access the app's features and content library for streaming. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.